Picture this. You're buried in student loan paperwork, your friends stressing about grades, and everyone keeps saying, you need a 4-year degree or you'll never make serious money. Sound familiar? But then you notice your cousin skipped college, went into a trade, and is making more than your college friends. Your neighbor dropped out and started a business. The guy down the street got certified in something you've never even heard of, and he just bought a second home. What if I told you college isn't the only path to serious income? Welcome to Clary Wealth Hub, where we break down how to make money, build wealth, and find the fastest paths to financial freedom. Hit subscribe and smash that thumbs up if you want to see career options the system doesn't tell you about.
The job market changed. Education hasn't. Average college debt, $30K to $100K. Lost income while studying. Stress before you even start. Compared to trades, get paid while you learn. No debt, start building wealth immediately. Barrier to entry? Time, certification, apprenticeship, not debt. At Clary Wealth Hub, we show that by age 30, someone who went through a 3-year HVAC apprenticeship could be $100,000 ahead of a college grad. By 40, the gap is massive.
Salary, $60K to $100K, with potential to $200K to $300K if you run your own business. Microstory, one apprentice started at 18. By 22, he was making $80K a year rewiring commercial buildings. Why lucrative? Always in demand. Construction, industrial, renewable energy. Paid apprenticeships. Possibility to own your own business. Barrier, high school diploma plus basic math. Comment below if you didn't know electricians could make 6 figures. Only here at Clary Wealth Hub do we break it down like this. Salary, $60K to $110K. Business owners, $150K to $250K plus. Microstory, emergency plumbing calls at 3 a.m., they pay double or triple. One call can be your full day's wage. Why lucrative? Every building needs plumbing. Variety, residential, commercial, luxury installs. Possibility to start your own business. Barrier, high school diploma plus apprenticeship. At Clary Wealth Hub, we love showing how real skills beat degrees when it comes to building wealth fast. Salary, $40K to $50K starting, $80K to $120K experienced. Microstory, one summer, 2 broken ACs in one day earned more than a full week of regular work. Why lucrative? Emergency rates, complex systems, energy efficiency boom, high demand. Barrier, trade school or apprenticeship, low-cost certification. Salary, $140K to $250K first officer, $300K plus captain. Microstory, spend $100K on flight school, fly 2 to 3 years, then earn more than many college grads dreamed of. Why lucrative? Fast career growth, high earning potential. Barrier, flight training plus certifications, not a degree. Salary, $120K starting, excellent benefits plus pension. Microstory, control hundreds of planes a day. Pressure is high, but the pay is solid. Why lucrative? Government stability, high demand. Barrier, FAA Academy plus testing. Salary, $80K to $105K. Microstory, 2-year associate degree, $15 to $20K cost, then steady 6-figure income. Why lucrative? Predictable demand, flexible hours, low training time. Barrier, associate degree plus certification. Salary, $100K plus, commission-based. Top agents, $300K plus. Microstory, a few deals a month in the right neighborhood can blow your friends' salaries out of the water. Why lucrative? Low barrier, license, unlimited upside. Barrier, licensing plus networking skills. Salary, $70K to $85K standard, $120K plus owner-operators. Microstory, drive across the country, earn solid money, CDL in a few weeks. Why lucrative? Massive demand, shortage of drivers, sign-on bonuses. Barrier? Commercial driver's license.
Salary 80K to 130K. Business owners 300K plus. Microstory: start as a laborer, learn on site, get certified, then run projects worth millions. Why lucrative? Buildings always need management. Possibility to start own company. Barrier: experience plus certification. Salary 120K to 150K plus. Microstory: government or utility jobs, rock solid stability, excellent benefits. Why lucrative? Essential service, stable demand, low competition. Barrier: high school diploma plus on-the-job training.
Salary 50K to 100K. Microstory: companies pay for certifications because they desperately need workers. Why lucrative? Cloud computing growth, booming infrastructure, high demand. Barrier? Technical certifications plus training. Salary? Unlimited. Microstory: some of the richest people never finished college. They had ideas, executed, and scaled. Why lucrative? No salary cap. Flexible, own boss, tax benefits. Barrier: idea plus work ethic plus sometimes capital. Here's the truth. College isn't the only ticket to wealth. Trades, technical skills, and entrepreneurship often get you ahead faster and without crushing debt. At Clary Wealth Hub, we show you the real money paths. No fluff, no lies. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Comment which career surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more straight-to-the-point money, career, and wealth-building advice. Your future self will thank you.